Okay, hello and thank you for joining us this morning for this session about maths and science courses. My name is Judith Mills and I am the Programme Manager for Maths and Science courses. We will cover aspects of what's involved overall in our maths and science courses and the next steps about enrolling on the courses. We will also touch on how we will be delivering these courses in September. So this morning I'm assisted by my colleagues Hilary, Jackie and Chrissy, who are managing our chat room. So during the presentation, if you have any questions, you can pop them in the chat room and they will answer them as we go along. And at the end, we will also be taking additional questions should you still have them. Okay. Yeah, welcome to our maths and science session. So putting your safety first, we are following government guidelines closely to ensure the safety of students and staff as we return to face-to-face teaching. This includes having smaller class sizes, increased cleaning and new hygiene stations, managed entrances and exits to the campus, spaced out workstations, more online and blended options. Masks are optional if you wish to wear them, and more cleaning of equipment. First of all, we're going to look at the maths courses. So this chart here shows the progression through, it covers English and maths, but the boxes highlighted in blue are the courses that we offer at RHACC. And it shows that the progression starts from Math Skills Entry 3, then to Level 1, then Functional Skills Level 1, Functional Skills Level 2, GCSE, and then that can lead on to further or higher education, including access and foundation degrees, or employment or apprenticeships. The maths courses at RHACC that we offer are Mathematics Entry 3 level, Math Study Skills at Entry level, Functional Skills Maths Level 1, Functional Skills Maths Level 2, GCSE Maths Foundation Tier, and GCSE Maths Higher Tier. The entry requirements for these courses, so for each level, you should have achieved or show an initial assessment that you have the skills at the level below. So for example, if you're interested in GCSE Maths at Foundation Tier, you should either have a certificate at level 1 in Functional Skills Maths, or the BKSB, which is our initial assessment screening, should show you have the skills established at level 1. For GCSE Maths and Functional Skills Maths at level 2, you should have an English qualification at level 2 or above. And if you don't, you should be able to have the screen on BKSB at level 2. More details on the specific entry requirements for each course can be found on the website. So requirements for all the maths courses are to attend all the sessions on time. Even though many of these sessions will be online, this is still an expectation. To be prepared with the required materials for each session. To purchase the textbook as relevant for the Functional Skills and GCSE courses. To work with others in class. To complete homework in a timely manner, and to use My Maths and complete the assigned tasks. And optional, there's additional tutorials to support you with your course for the Functional Skills Level 2 and GCSE. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about this different courses in maths. So the Math Skills Entry 3 and Math Study Skills. This is a non-qualification course. You'll get a college certificate on successful completion of the course. And this course provides you with a stepping stone to enable you to progress onto the next level of maths and/or onto a maths qualification. So these courses provide you with an opportunity to recap and consolidate your maths skills, or you may want to brush up on your number skills for further training or for work. Functional Skills Maths Level 1 and Level 2. So these classes are for you if you want to further develop your skills and confidence in different areas of maths, including number, measure, shape and space, handling data. You'll be working towards a national qualification in functional maths, which you will take at the end of the course. And for these courses, you are allowed one exam resit opportunity. So if you don't pass the exam on the first sitting, you're allowed one resit. And then we've got GCSE Maths. So we do AQA, linear maths, i.e. all the exams are at the end of the course. There is no coursework. There are 2 tiers available, higher, which means you can achieve grades 4 to grade 9, or foundation, which you can achieve grades 1 to grade 5. For the GCSE Maths, there are 3 exams in May and June on nationally set days and times. So these may be on different days and times to your course. So you would have to make arrangements for work or childcare if that was to be on those days and times. Okay, how to book an interview for maths courses. So you would enroll on a maths information advice and guidance session, and the link is there. Or if you go to our website and search for maths information advice and guidance, it will come up. Okay, so now we'll go on to the science courses. So the science courses we offer include entry-level science, Level 1 award in science, GCSE biology, and GCSE chemistry. The entry requirements. So for each level, you should have achieved or show on the initial assessment that you have the skills at the previous level in both English and maths. The GCSE biology and GCSE chemistry courses have a substantial amount of maths in them. In fact, on GCSE chemistry, 20% of the marks are from maths questions. So you need to be working at a minimum of level 2 in maths. More details on the entry requirements for each course can again be found on the website. So the requirements for all the science courses is to attend all the sessions on time, to be prepared with the required materials for each session, to purchase the textbook as given to you by your tutor, to work with others in the class, to complete homework in a timely manner, and to comply with health and safety requirements during practical sessions. Then optional for GCSE biology and GCSE chemistry are additional tutorials to support you with your course. So we're going to again give some information about each of the courses. So entry-level science. So this follows the AQA entry-level science syllabus and covers biology, chemistry and physics. The assessment for this course is through 3 45-minute written tests taken in class time, so i.e. 1 written test in biology, 1 in chemistry and 1 in physics, and a minimum of 3 different assessed practical experiments also taken in class time. Again, i.e. so it's 1 practical assessment in biology, 1 in chemistry and 1 in physics. The Level 1 award in science, then, the primary purpose of this qualification is to prepare you for further learning or training and/or to develop your skills in science. If you have an interest in science but are not ready to work towards a GCSE or other Level 2 science qualification, then this qualification could be appropriate for you. It has been designed to give you the transferable skills required to complete scientific investigations, as well as giving you the opportunity to cover a range of scientific theories and concepts relating to biology, chemistry and physics. For the Level 1 award, you'll be required to complete 8 credits, and this includes a mandatory unit in science investigations. You will also need to complete 1 unit in biology, 1 unit in chemistry and 1 unit in physics. And your final assessment will be a portfolio or folder of evidence from all the units. And then GCSE biology and GCSE chemistry. So it's AQA, linear syllabus, so the exams are all at the end of the course and there is no coursework. However, there are required practicals. So on each GCSE there are 10 required practicals. These required practicals are not assessed when you do them, but there are questions on the required practicals on the exam papers. So that's why it's important that you attend and complete the practicals, otherwise you'll struggle to answer those exam questions. Like the GCSE Maths, there are 2 tiers, higher and foundation. Higher tier is for grades 4 to 9 and foundation tier is for grades 1 to 5. For each GCSE there are 2 exams, so 2 exams for GCSE biology, 2 exams for GCSE chemistry, and they are in May and June on nationally set days and times. So again, they may not be on the day and time of your course, so you would have to make arrangements for those. And how to book an interview for a science course. You can enroll onto a science information advice and guidance session, and there is the link, or again if you go to the website and search for science information advice and guidance. Okay, have we got any questions?
Hi Judith, that was great, thank you. We don't have any questions at the minute, and we do have some attendees, so if there are any that want to ask a question, they can pop it in the live event Q&A box. So we'll just wait sort of a couple of seconds just to see if they do, otherwise we'll wrap up, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Hi Judith, doesn't look like we've got any questions at this time.
Okay, well thank you everyone for joining us today.
Sorry, there is one question.
There is one question, Jackie.
Okay.
For entry-level science with the assessment, what does 1 unit per science entail?
Okay, so there's the courses say divided into 3, so biology, chemistry and physics, and 1 unit for the entry-level science, say biology is 1 unit, chemistry is 1 unit and physics is 1 unit. And within each unit there is about 7 or 8 topics. It does vary slightly. So for example, on biology, you will look at topics in cells, tissues, digestive system, blood and circulatory system, and things like that. And then you'll have one exam paper, one written test based on all of those biology topics. Hope that answers the question.
Hi Judith, I'm just giving the person a couple of seconds if they want to ask anything else. Okay, I think they've got everything they need. So thank you, Judith. Do you want to just wrap up? Thank you.
Yes, so thank you for joining us today. We hope we've been able to give you the answers and updates ready for joining us in September. And just a reminder that if you wish to enroll on these courses, to book an interview on the college website. Thank you.